Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox error code 277. And if you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first just type here Windows Update Settings and then click check for updates, and after that installed updates, restart your PC to installed updates, and then right click on Roblox, run as administrator, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, let's move to the next step. Type here view network connections, and then right click on your connection, click properties, select protocol internet version 4 and click properties. After that, type here, you will find it like that. You will find it on the first one, select use the following DNS, and then type here 1111001 and click OK, and then close it, and that's it. Now your problem is fixed. Please don't forget to like and see you in the next video.